In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll have a reliable local backup of your notebooks and the peace of mind that comes with it. This walkthrough uses the desktop version of OneNote on Windows and will keep things simple and clear. Start by opening the OneNote app on your computer. At the top left, select File to open the Backstage view, then choose Options. This opens the OneNote Options window where you can control how and where your notes are saved. In the left sidebar, click Save and Backup. This is the control center for your backups. In the Backup section, you'll see settings that let you decide how often OneNote creates backups and where those backups are stored. For frequency, pick an interval that matches how often your notes change. If you update notebooks daily, choose a daily backup so your snapshots stay current. If your notes change less frequently, a weekly cadence may be enough. Remember, more frequent backups give you more recent restore points. Next, choose the backup location. This is a folder on your computer where OneNote will place the backup copies of your notebooks. Pick a folder that's easy to find and has enough free space. For extra resilience, consider selecting a folder that's on an external drive or a cloud-synced folder on your PC. That way, you'll have a local snapshot plus an additional layer of protection if your primary drive ever fails. Avoid locations you rarely access or that get cleaned automatically. With your frequency and folder set, create a snapshot right now. Click Back Up All Notebooks now. OneNote will begin saving copies of every open notebook to the folder you selected. The first run may take a little longer if you have large sections, embedded files, or lots of images. Let the process finish before closing the app, especially if you're backing up for the first time. Once it's done, your notes are saved locally as backup files in the folder you chose. These backups are separate from Cloud Sync and act like time-stamped safety copies. If something goes wrong, like accidental deletions or sync issues, you'll have a snapshot to restore from. It's a good habit to check that backups are happening on schedule and to verify that your backup folder is included in your normal computer backup routine. That's it. You open OneNote, set your backup schedule, chose a safe location, and created a full backup on demand. Keep these settings in place and you'll always have a dependable fallback for your notes.